In this video demo, I'm going to show you how you can download Blackbox to help you find the best code snippets to use while you're working on your projects. So you click on the icon for the extension, search for Blackbox, install, open a new file, select the programming language, and quick note before we start, it's good to go through these 4 steps. That helps you go and write a good question for Blackbox so that it can give you the right answer. So first thing is start with the comment symbol. Make sure to put the question mark at the end of the question, and as you can see, I specified in which programming language I want the answer to be. Once the Blackbox suggestion appears on the screen, you can hit tab and automatically the answer would be accepted.